How to insert a table in your Google Docs document. So you might have a table somewhere else on a file or on a spreadsheet. First, you'll need to upload your table here by clicking on File, going to Google Spreadsheets, and then uploading or importing your table to the spreadsheet. And once it's imported, you can basically just select your table like this by clicking the mouse and hovering all the columns that you want to copy. For example, these columns right here. And you can basically press Control C or right click and copy. Then go to your Google Docs document and right click and paste here. Then cancel this and then select paste unlinked. Then hit paste button. And this should paste your table right here. And the second way to create your own table in Google Docs is going to the insert menu right here. Hit table and then select how many rows and columns from this menu right here. For example, 3 columns and 3 rows. Then select, click with your mouse, left click, and that should add the table to your Google Docs. You can also use one of those existing templates by going to Insert, Table, and then Building Blocks and select one of those templates, or click on View More to see more templates. And for example, you can use Communication Email Draft. This will add a table like this. And to insert rows or columns to your table, just right click on your table and you can choose Insert Row above or below and insert column to left or right. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.